Okay, let us see second very important, and that very important visual, which is again helps us in statistical summary. How it is, like we'll see here, it helps us in to find out the outliers within our data. And let us understand first what are the outliers. This is one visual, my friends. I mean, you'll be using in various your work. Okay, so it's just pay attention to this, which is very important. Okay, very frequently, particularly in our construction industry, will be using this this scatter chart as finding out the outliers within our data. So what are outliers? Okay, an outlier is a type of anomaly in our data, something that you didn't expect. Okay, something that you didn't expect or that surprised you based on your historical averages. Okay, you will want to find you will want to identify outliers to isolate data points. Okay, okay, which is the visual will update you to display the data according to the selected fields. Okay, but you'll be able to clearly identify the outlier. Okay, which are normally a isolated item, isolated data result within your within from your bulk data. Okay, let's see practical example, then you'll understand more about it. Here we are talking about a sample data for total snags on our on the site, on any site. Okay, and we are tracking this snag closure. Okay, based on open and close. So we have a responsibility and we are obligated that in a construction industry, our decisions and our action has to be in a proper stipulated. It has to be replied and closed within the stipulated number of days. So here in this example, let's say the total snags are how many are open and how many are closed within the stipulated days. Let's say within 7 days or 10 days, whatever it is agreed. Okay. So the issue what we are tracking here to the outlier is like the head of the department, the person responsible for snag or for example quality and all, and even the project manager can raise a flag over here that why these snags are getting delayed for closure. You see this age in days. Here it is 100 days, 200 days. Okay, still it is not closed. So this is a it's a big red flag on any construction site. Okay, why it is first of all why it is getting so delayed? It has to be closed within this 7 days or 10 days parameter. It shouldn't go beyond that. Okay, so it is a big red flag for any construction site. All right, so this is what we call the outlier. It is already available for us. All right, the data is readily available. So what we'll do, let's take a scatter chart plot from here. Okay, so what we want to flag is our first requirement is we are talking about the snag status. Okay, we have a snag data over here. We want to track this based on open and close item within the snag. Okay. Secondly, we are talking about the age in days. Okay. Age in days is the column which we calculate based on the open and closure dates. Okay. So we get the number of days in our table, total snags. And you'll put both the parameters, age in days and total snags. Okay. Here it is going beyond, so here we want to just don't summarize it. So click don't summarize. Okay, age in days. So here you can clearly see the bubbles out here and it is raising a flag that it is going beyond. One more item we want to add up over here. We want to give the size of the bubbles. So you can add issue numbers, the count of issue numbers onto that count of issue number. So it will create the size of that bubble within the scatter chart based on the size of the count of the issues. Okay, so this is how it's going to help. The agreed days is 7 to 10 days, and here it is going beyond. So this is how the scatter chart helps is in summarizing and getting the red flags within our insight through the scatter chart plot. Okay, it is that simple.